Hello, hello. Yes, my reactions are supposed to look this crappy. Um, this is Join the Ascent. Spooky, the man has sent it to me. And I don't know what Rain World is, but I guess I'm gonna find out, you know? So this is Join the Ascent by Spooky. My dude. He's gonna be on one of my tracks coming up. So, let's hear it. This is some nice artwork. Ooh. All right. How the hell does Spooky only have 14 subscribers? Like, man's dope as hell. Come on, man. Whatever. Yeah, nice flow. All right, yeah. I don't know any of the context for this, but yeah, I really like the way it sounds. Oh, wait. What's going on with the sound quality here, Preston? Come on. Man, I might have to check out Rain World because of this. This is nice. All right. I know this was a shorter reaction because I was only reacting to one song, but go subscribe to the man Spooky. Man's good. He deserves more. So, bye.